Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can capture our computer screen using VLC Media Player. So that's been said, let's get started. We usually use VLC Media Player to watch our video files. Besides watching video files, we can also do lots of things with the help of VLC Media Player. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can capture computer screen using VLC Media Player. For that, first of all, you have to install VLC Media Player. So if you don't know how you can download and install VLC Media Player, then don't worry, the video link will be on the I button. From there you can watch the video how you can download and install VLC Media Player on Windows 10. After installing VLC Media Player, open VLC Media Player. This is the interface of VLC Media Player. On the tab here you will find different menu, and here just open capture devices. It will open this kind of window. Here on capture mode, just select desktop. And here you have to select your desired frame rate for the capture. So for now, let me set 20 frames per second, and here instead of playing, just click on this drop down menu and here just select convert, and here you have to select video and audio profile. So from the drop down menu, you can select different types of video and audio formats, or you can create your own profile. For that, just click on this create a new profile and here select MP4. And on video codec, just click on video, and on codec just select H264, and here you will find resolution option. So for now, let me keep it at default. Here we have other different filters. So for now, I'll just keep everything to default. I will just change the video codec. Then go to audio codec and here just select audio. From here you can select different types of audio codec. For now, let me select MP3. After selecting video and audio codec, you have to name your profile. Let me name it as thecoderworld. Then click on create. So this way you can create your very own profile. To select that profile, just click on this drop down icon and search for the profile name. So here we have thecoderworld. Just select the video profile. Then here you have to select the destination file. To select your destination file, just click on browse. Then select the folder or the location where you want to save that file. For now, let me save it to desktop, and here we have to name our file. Say for example video 1. After naming your file, just click on save. Then click on start. Here you can see here we have the timeline, so it is capturing my computer screen. So whatever I will do on the computer screen will be captured using this VLC Media Player. So let me minimize the browser and let me do something. For example, let me refresh the page. When your screen recording complete, just open the application and here just click on this pause icon and simply close this VLC player window. Here you can see here we have the video file. So let me show you the properties. To find the property, just right click on the file, then click on properties, and here you can see size and the location and the type of the file. So we had created .mp4 file. If you want to see more details, then click on details, and here you will find resolution, data rate, bit rate, frame rate, and many other things. Let me play this file. So here you can see VLC Media Player has successfully captured my computer screen. So this way you can capture your computer screen using VLC Media Player. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.